6 Express. I'm a guy aged 35 years old and need help with my hot topic. Last year around this time, I married my longtime girlfriend of 3 years. She's 25 years old. At the time, I was based in Dubai, working there. So I asked my young brother, kuti andibatire matari, since I had to extend my stay due to an opportunity I couldn't afford to pass. So it was here, my 2 cousin brothers, my sister, and my best friend and his brother, a team of 6 people. We had discussed with my girlfriend prior, kuti ndine 6,000, kuti audzewo his people what to expect. From her feedback, it seemed like they were happy. Zuva rakasvika, I remember praying in the morning that everything goes well. I stayed on my phone hoping to get updates from my team and my wife. Program yakatanga mushe. My girlfriend was updating me, my proceedings, until they got to Marihombe. Anamafukidza dumbu, rusambo, nedanga. My brother over-negotiated. Zvekuti pakazopera zuva, my wife called me crying, saying, Mandinyadzisa, we expected more from you. She was calling me a liar. Of the 6,000, akanosiya 3,450. I spoke to my best friend, akanditi, we decided to stand down because tangata kuita noise pamusha wevanhu, trying kumudzora, but zvakaramba. When I spoke to him asking why he negotiated zvekupenga kudaro, he said, I thought I was doing you a favor. What favor kana ndimiwo? When I gave a clear instruction of Maria ifanira kusara. His response was, kuroora hakuperi, tinodzokera wauya mari yako iripo. Shortly after a month, he proposed to his girlfriend and bought her a car, an Aqua. Ndakanyumwa chete kuti imari yangu yabatsira kutenga mota iyi. And when I came back, ndichibvunza mari, akanditi, I used it to process mapepa emota, will give you next week. Weeks turned into months. Until this day, mari haisati yauya. I decided to fix things with my in-laws. Ndikaendesa imwe pfuma, and all seems well. My issue is my brother is planning kunorora in 2 weeks' time. He is asking me to be part of his team. I don't know. Munozvionawo sei vedari. I just blue-ticked message yake. I know it's a special day for him and his girlfriend, but why would I shop for someone akandipurongera my day and hasn't reimbursed mari yangu yaakatora? I asked him to sell mota and give me my money, and he responded, mota haisi yangu ndeyamainini venyu. I spoke to our parents seeking counsel, and my father asked me to show up for my young brother, saying, hukama haugezwe nesipo setsvina. But I'm not willing to show up hangu. Ndoita sei vedari? Was I wrong for trusting him to marry on my behalf? And is it wrong if I decide not to show up kuroora rake kusvika andipa mari yangu? Please read my topic. Iyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Maita basa Manxiwe.
Yebo.
Thank you so much. Yeah, 0772162651. Dimidare redu. Munoitongose umbopfekawo shangu dzemurume atinyorera nhau yake nhasi zvinofambiswa sei pakadai. It is our hot topic powered by our friends from Inbox. We say hashtag the future of money. And just so you know, we have a system update. Inbox is now up and even better. With a new exciting look, you can now send and receive money by airtime and bank your change. More services are being restored. So why not visit Google Play Store today or Apple Store and select update so that you can enjoy the new exciting look. Don't be left out. Update your Inbox application today and enjoy the amazing experience. 0772162651 660-897 660-299. Star FM, hello.
Hi, Saki. Hi, KVG.
Hi, Maswera say.
Hello.
Maswera say, Trukukunzwai.
Otopinda inzwa. Kachina kunorora zvishuwa kwazvo kama good negotiators. The brother was right in negotiating, but he was wrong in spending the man that he fought for. So he must have returned back the man to his brother. Otherwise, that's the only problem that he did. Corona to show up. He did well on behalf of the brother. I don't know, but as without Chiva, who shall
kana zvino wanzi enda unondirorerawo obva wanzi mari iri kufanira kusara i6,000 iwewe wonegotiata kosara 3,450
anokumakuka kunegotiata ka zvakati atowirirana matems achitomboti urarusambo around 6,000
aiwa but
ndikanegotiata rusambo to 3,000 andizvinto I know I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah, nekuti
ndikanegotiata
hey ndinotenda baba wangu
akazoita zvangadai akazoita akadai akachikavha zvimwe zvekumberi with the change.
Hey, saka alright fine, but mari yadyiwa, mari yatengerwa mota kune wake mudzimai waakuda kuchinorora apa. Ari kubvunza kuti ndingaende here ndichinoonekera semukoma, ndize mukoma muningina. These are brothers mukoma. Ari kuti ndoenda here nekuti anongoenda zvakadaro.
Anoenda izvo vanosetsa vari kumba kwaona vabereki mabrothers nemamwe mavaukama hwake vanogara pasi vonesana voita kuti mari yake idzoke back.
All right, thank you.
Zvimera zvikakuri kuti mota inotengeswa inofanira kutengeswa mazirikava is money. Zvinofanira kuenda zvishuwa ukama hugezi nesipo zetsvina. These are brothers.
Asi ukama hwekuti tinodyirana mari here baba wangu. Uchishotesa baba wangu, oshotesa wangu mudzimai baba, otengera wako mota baba wangu.
Taputsa ukama over 3,000.
Asi akatanga kuputsa ndiani baba wangu?
Akavhiringa, I agree with you.
Oh, line ramba nadona. But vamira naye, munenge nawe vamira naye vakati aiwa hatingaputsa ukama kakuti but akaputsa achinonakisa kwake.
Kwake.
Ini ndodzoka futi ndondanzi aiwa ugezwe nesipo setsvina.